Hello, hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So here we are going to the Yamsukro tour. In this video I'm going to share with you about my trips, and we had stay over there 2 nights 3 days, and it was not 3 days, there were 2 days only, as we were traveling with Prisha, so it took a little more time to travel. Otherwise you can reach from Ambachan in 3 hours to Yamsukro, but we took around 5 hours. And also the day we left there was too much of traffic, so we left around 3 o'clock, but we reached by 7 o'clock. While traveling we had lots of fun and masti, so finally we reached at 7 o'clock there. We were staying at a friend place, so we just took fresh up and left outside and came to the Vista Lodge restaurant, and here it is near to the lake. The view was superb, ambience was superb. If you are non-vegetarian, then you can enjoy the braise fish and chicken over here, but we came only to have just juice and some fruit and snacks because we had a dinner at home. So this was after dinner, moving out and having a look in Yamsukro. The thing I like here was mojito. I just love mojito, and here it was superb. After just having some juice and snack, we left for the Crocodile Lake. On the same road, if you are going to go ahead, you will find a Crocodile Lake, and also a nice view for a walking in a night. If you want to go for a walk, this is a nice place to walk. It says that in this lake there are almost more than 300 crocodiles, but unfortunately we were not able to see more of the crocodile outside. Here you can see the moving crocodile inside. I took a clip of that. Then we just shoot some pictures and we were having fun all around. You can see Prisha having fun with Papa. This is the first outdoor trip with Prisha, and we just had enjoyed a lot. And here is my friend daughter. They both were enjoying a lot. Finally we were going back to home because next day we had a lots of fun schedule. So let's go to home. So next day we left around 11:30 from home and went to the foundation show, the Yamsukro, and the world largest church in Yamsukro. If you had not checked out these two videos, I had already uploaded the same on my channel. The links are in description box. You can go and check it out. After visiting two places, we went at home, had our lunch, and then around 4:30 we are back. And here we are going to the Hotel President for having some swimming fun with kids. So here you have to pay around 5,000 Sifa, but as we went only for half an hour or 1 hour, because around at 5:30 it is closed, and so we had paid around 3,000 Sifa per person. Here you can see the beautiful painting. The creativity in the people is amazing, and see the crocodile lake. And yeah, there are beautiful paintings. The restaurant was also good, beautiful. If you are willing to book a room over here, then you have to book it in advance, because here almost the bookings are always full. So here we are going on a swimming pool area. Here you will find a two swimming pool. One is for kids and one is for elder. So kids swimming area is quite nice. You don't have to see much, and kids can enjoy the play area quite nicely. So here we are moving towards to buy a ticket for a pool. This is the whole view of a restaurant. You can see it's how beautiful it is. That was an evening, and we had around 4:30 to 6:30 we were having fun over here. There is also a kids play area, so after pool masti we had some rides with kids. Finally we are moving back to home, and then we'll go out for dinner. I was having no plan to shoot for a dinner vlog, but yes, the food we are eating, it's so amazing and so tasty that I wanted to share this place with you all. If you are watching this video and you are visiting Yamsukro, then do visit this place and enjoy the lunch and dinner over here. It's just amazing. And if you are vegetarian, then you have a lots of option over here, as I am vegetarian and for me the options are quite less. So here we enjoyed a lot. The restaurant is an open space, so You can come and enjoy it in the night time. Even in afternoon lunch is available over here. I will share all the location in the description box. If you are willing to check out, you can check it out. Here there is their own boulangerie, so you will get a fresh pay over here. You will get all fresh breads. If you are staying in Yamsukro and you are not aware of this place, then do visit this place. And we have a lots of ice cream options over here. I tried this cake and I just love it. It is not too much of sweet. It was like medium sweet, which I like the most. Also, we had an try an ice cream over here. It was just amazing. So overall, I love this place. If you are not aware about this place, then you can just go visit and have the food over here. They are not having too much good ambience, but yes, the food is just amazing. I hope you like the video and it will be helpful to you if you are planning to go to the Yamsukro. You can plan for 2-day trips and you can just have a great weekend fun. Meet you with the next video. Till then, be happy, be healthy, stay safe, and if you really love the video, do share with your friends and family if anybody is staying in Yamsukro or going to Yamsukro. Till then, goodbye, see you soon.